Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, MJ Smith. For today's video is going to be a Halloween makeup tutorial. Instead of creating a more scary and zombie look, I decided to create a more colorful Halloween makeup. We're going to recreate a pop art inspired makeup tutorial. It's going to be fun and not scary. So yep, without further ado, let's crack on. We're going to start by drawing my eyebrows. I'm going to use my aqua color by Crayolan. This one right here. So I'm going to use this as my color of the day. This color right here, I'm going to use the black, which is the number 71. So I'm going to use this black color to draw my eyebrows. Spray some water into my aqua color to make the color more intense. Create a line. I'm going to start here. So we'll start by creating a pop art eyebrow. I'm going to create a line here to make it more interesting. I'm going to use this very thin brush to create a line there. I'm going to just draw it there. I'm going to fill this with pink shadow to make it more colorful. I'm going to enhance the lines to make it more clean and intensify. I'm done with my first eyebrows, so I'm going to do the other side. I think my brows is done. They're almost symmetrical. I'm going to apply a primer. I'm done with my primer. Now I'm going to apply my shadow, and I'm using my Alexa Edward Anastasia Beverly Hills palette right here. I'm going to use this Texas Made as my transition color. I'm going to apply it here and push it towards my brow bone and bring it up. I really like this color. It's very pigmented. I'm going to bring it inwards slowly and push again outwards. Blend it slowly into my brow bone. Gonna get some more and apply it into my outer corner and bring it up more. It's very pigmented, you guys. This Alexa Edwards palette, I really recommend this. It's really good. You don't have to blend more. It's very easy to blend. So I'm going to bring it a little bit higher here. I'm going to intensify this outer corner right here and blend it upwards like that. Now I'm going to apply my lid color, which is my shirt color, the yellow. I'm going to use the Brick Road from the Alexa palette. I'm going to apply a yellow shadow to my lid. Just push into my lid gently. I'm going to blend the two colors together. Blend this line right here with some pink color in my brush to make it more intensify. Like that. They blend well together. I'm going to go back with the brick road and apply a bit more into my inner corner right here. I'm going to blend the line between the pink and the yellow. Blend it gently. I really love creating a more dramatic and, creative makeup. I kind of enjoyed it. It's like painting my face. I'm done with my lid color. Now I'm going to apply a liner. I'm going to use my Crayolan black liner. I'm going to create a thin line. Bring it into my inner liner. I'm going to do it slowly, you guys, so we don't make mistake, because as soon as you make mistake with liner, it's really hard to remove. Look down and connect those two lines together gently. Now I'm going to create a tear dot, a well-defined tear dot here. Look straight and gently draw a line. I'm going to draw a line here. Intensifying my crease. I'm going to draw a line there. And then let it join your liner. I'm going to apply a line here, a very thin line. 1, 2, and 4. I'm going to add another one here to make it 5. And now we're going to join them together. I'm going to create a line here. So now I'm going to apply a white pencil into my lower lash line. I'm going to create a lower lash line here. I'm going to draw a line there gently. I'm going to create one strand there, one strand here, here, and here, and join them together. So yep, I think I'm done creating my left eye. I'm going to do my right eye off cam, so it's going to be quick, so bear with me. So here it is. I'm done with the other side. Now I'm going to apply my lashes. So next step, I'm going to create a tear dot. I'm going to create first the outline. Let's make this one a little bit bigger. Now I'm going to fill it with my aqua color. I'm going to use the turquoise. This one, I'm going to use it to fill my tear dot. It's really hard to create because of the fine lines. I'm done with my teardrop. I'm going to blush and contour my face. I'm going to use this one right here. This pink color right here. I'm going to apply my blush in here. Going to bring a little bit higher. A little bit of blue here. Little bit of pinkish tone. Now I'm going to draw my lips. I'm using my red lipstick. I'm going to outline it. I'm going to apply a dark line outside my red lip. My lips is done. I'm going to go back on my foreheads because it's a bit of a mess. So I'm going to add a bit of color to make it a bit more colorful and not just blob of dark color. I'm going to create a contour line. I'm going to start here. Just draw it there and bring it down. Going to make a line there. Going to apply here as well. It's so easy to do this look for other people, but for myself, I think I really need a bit of concentration. Next line, we're going to do this one right here. And connect here. A line here too. I'm going to create a dot there. I'm going to create a small dot and a bit bigger dot. Bit bigger dot and small one. A small one there. Small one there. There. Going to make another small there. Another small, small, small. A little bit bigger. Small, bigger, small, small, and big and small. Going to do one in the middle and few smalls on the side. Going to apply a little bit of white there. and here. And that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And if you love this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new in my channel, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button and click the bell to be notified each time I upload new videos. Thank you, and I hope to see you on the next one. Bye bye.